One of the common questions asked in fluid art groups all the time is about how to set up for markets and what to take. So I thought I would put together a short video showing my setup at a few different markets, indoors, outdoors, undercover, etc., along with a breakdown of what I take outside of my products for sale. I'll include a full list in the description. Yikes, I hadn't realised how dirty my car was. This is the fully packed car I'm about to unload at an undercover evening market in the small town of Sheffield in northwest Tasmania. This market supplies tables, so I don't have those or my gazebo in the car. Imagine if I had the 3 2-metre tables as well as the commercial gazebo packed in there. This is everything out of the car and ready to be set up. Some markets have a flatbed trolley to help move stuff, which is great, but I also have my little collapsible trolley. This one has lasted for 4 years and is so useful. This is my stall all set up. I try to have a range of displays at different heights, as well as my racks at the back. You'll see some pics of my outdoor setup shortly, where I have much more space. I also like to have a range of products at different price points, some super cheap and some things that appeal to kids. So for my essentials kit, I always bring water, food, tissues, cash tin with change, square reader, charged phone, charging cable and power bank, packaging materials, order book, pen, scissors, tape, cable ties, safety pins, small whiteboard, business cards and flyers, Windex cleaner and soft cloth, a comfortable chair, a book, sunscreen, sunglasses, sun hat, for the outdoor markets on hot sunny days, blanket, scarf, coat, warm hat for the outdoor markets on cold days, evenings, a big smile, a prepared set of speeches for the inevitable comments. Prepare yourself, it's fluid art, and not everyone will love it. Keep smiling, don't let the haters bring you down. You paint for you, not them. Some will love it and want to know all about it though, so have some prepared short explanations ready. As I mentioned earlier, this market is in the town of Sheffield, known as the town of murals, where every year they hold an art competition called Mural Fest. These are last year's entries. They go on further across the park, but this was all I could film from the market. These are just some still shots taken at different markets over the last few years, so you can see how I set up in different spaces. Hope you've gotten something out of this little video. Don't forget to get the comprehensive list from the description below. And if you enjoyed this, watch more here or here, and don't forget to subscribe.